Hi kids, this is the story we have for today. The Stranded Orca. Look at this animal on the cover of the book. It is big, but it is not just big, it's very big. Let's see what the story is about. Bruno was the biggest whale in the orca pod. He was strong and fast too. Once his friend Pippa clocked him swimming 30 miles per hour. Wow, look at this. Bruno's teeth were long, white, and very sharp. Brave and fierce, he was the best hunter in the pod. Bruno always shared his food. Thanks, Bruno, said Duke and Pippa. My pleasure, said Bruno. So Bruno always shared his food. Look, they are eating some fish here. One day, when Bruno was hunting seals, he got stranded on the beach. Oh no, his speed and sharp teeth couldn't help him. What am I going to do? He asked sadly. Oh no, said Pippa. Bruno is stuck. Look at Bruno. Can you see? He can't move. He will die if he doesn't get back in the water, said Duke. We must help him, said Pippa, but how? How are we going to help him? Pippa squealed to Bruno. Hang in there, Bruno, she said. We will help you. Bruno squealed back. He knew he didn't have much time. His skin was drying out. He needed water, yes? Pippa and Duke raced along the coast. We need a plan, but what? Asked Duke. Then Pippa saw something in the distance. Can you see what is here at the back? It's a ship there, a boat, or something. I know where we can get help, she said. Follow me, come with me. A sightseeing boat, shouted Duke. Humans love our tricks, said Pippa. If they see us, they might follow us to Bruno. Then they can help him. That's a very good idea, they had. Duke and Pippa put on the best show for the boat. They jumped, they flipped, they slapped their flippers. Wow, look at the people here, they were all so happy. The humans loved the orca show. They took pictures, they clapped and cheered. Yes, I think they will follow us, said Pippa. Pippa and Duke led the way to Bruno. Look, said the captain. Look, said the captain, a stranded whale. I'll call for help. Soon, people arrived in rescue boats. They put large, wet tarps over Bruno. The humans are trying to keep him wet, said Duke. Pippa and Duke squealed out to Bruno. He squealed back. I think I'm going to make it, he said. You see, all the people are going to help Bruno. The humans worked very hard. Bruno clicked to tell them thank you. Soon, a large boat with a crane lifted Bruno. What are they doing? Asked Pippa. I think they are bringing him out to deeper water, said Duke. Look, they are rescuing him. Duke was right. Soon Bruno was free. Thank you, he squealed to the humans. Bruno jumped and slapped his tail. Thank you, he said to Pippa and Duke. Thank you for helping me. And this is the end of the story. Did you like the story of the three friends, the orca friends? Duke, Bruno, and Pippa. Do you know the main character of this story? It is a very big whale. It's called orca. Very nice. Thank you for sharing it.